You've been hopping around different systems, you've been watching different videos on YouTube, but you are not yet find the right system to trade and to win the game of trading. And you have been using those system for 2 3 months and hopping again to another and end up losing accounts. So what is the reality of this? So first of all, I'm gonna say this: what works is not available on the internet. And to be honest, every other guy who's trying to sell you courses, who's trying to make you buy the $1,000 course, all he's trying to do is make some hard cash. Yeah, I'm not saying 100%, 99% of the people are doing this thing because, to be honest, trading isn't that easy. Trading isn't that easy. How much like internet is trying to show you that it's quite easy in the beginning. That's why you entered in the market, and that's why you thought you're gonna make $500 a day very quicker, and maybe even $5,000. But the thing here is, it's a gain of years of time. It's a long term gain, not a small term gain. So now I'll tell you why, how these systems of internet are not working, and how to make a good system for yourself. I'll give you the key points and the principles to follow, because to be honest, this is the only way you're gonna make your own system, or you can inherit it from someone, but you are not sure if the inherited system could work for yourself or not. So here's the thing. First of all, ICD, price action, and SMC, it's all bullshit. Yeah, true. That's all I'm gonna say it. It's all bullshit. And if you're trying to follow these guys, if you're trying to make some money from this, you're gonna hop around the system for a long term. And it's like a slow lane game. It might work for some people, very few people, but it's a very, very slow game. No, I'll talk about the real things. Two things you need to change to make a system for yourself. First of all, perspectives towards the market. So why I say ICT and price action and SMC is wrong? Because it gives a raw perspective about the market, and I'm gonna tell you how to find the right perspective about the market. So we're gonna go here. How to change your perspective towards the market. This is the loop that fucks up your mind, dude. So first of all, you watch some YouTube vids, okay? Then you shift to some new trading strategy, and you find some videos, and out of those you find this could be the next big $1 billion strategy. And then you started using it, and you ended up losing another few accounts. Now the solution for this is, so this point is the hook point where you get fucked up. You need to break this hook point, and the only way to break this hook point is stop watching bullshit YouTube videos that ruins your mindset, that ruins your perspective about the market, towards the market, like all those video 5 minute candle, 1 minute candle, and New York session and all that shit. I know there are some liquidity and some shits in the market, but to be honest, dude, that doesn't make sense. You are sitting in a home. How the fuck you know where is the liquidity on? How the fuck you know where isn't? So this is not how the market works. So you gotta leave the thing first of all. Then you need to shift your perspective towards the networking. That's the only way. And if you start to network, dude, you gonna make big numbers, I'm telling you. Because once you try and find the right traders who actually make money, because I did by myself, I find one right trader and he inherited his system towards me, and I'm able to do very well with that system now. So the same thing you can do is find some real people in the real time, the real environment. That's the only way. And even if you don't get the real people, you can even try on online. But yeah, it could be a little bit difficult to find the real people because obviously there are a lot of flyers on the internet. Then once you keep on networking, you need to, okay, before that, I need to show you another thing. Sorry for that. So first thing is perspective towards the market. Second thing is stop trading and start watching the charts. You'll find all the answers in the charts. Okay, power of watching charts. First of all, what you gotta need to do is create a habit of watching the charts. And if you wanna do that thing, what you better do is stop trading at a lot of times. Like, I'm gonna try to make $500 today, and I'm gonna put all of my day in this game. And the end, even if you made that $500, but your system if isn't right, you still gonna end up losing that $500 any other day. So the only way to win this game, dude, is to create a habit of watching cars. So instead of trading a lot of times, the day you don't get any trades, or the day you even if get the trades, you need to take 2-3 hours out after trading and put that time in watching charts. It could be at the New York session, Asia session. You will find some answer in every type of session, and try to depth that. Okay, make it more important than taking trades too. Yeah, bowls one, but yeah, that's right. Make it more important than taking trades, because this is where you'll find the answers, and then you will be able to build that good system. Taking notes when you notice patterns. Okay, another bullet point, the main important one, is most big peoples, they use this system. Simple, nothing else. Even the people who are in the Wall Street running billion-dollar company, costs 3-4 years, they did this. They watch the charts continues. They are not saying trading the charts, but watching the charts. Because when you are trading, you are not able to see those patterns. All you are trying to see is that $200 plus and $200 minus. So they gotta do this thing. When you notice any patterns like timing patterns, this point usually the market pumps, this point usually the market dumps. This could be the zone where market always resists, or this could be the zone where market always get a good support at this point. So these are the systems where you start to build your own strategy, and then you can use it to make money in the market. And with time, you can add alternative rules in it, a lot of things once you build it. And this is how systems are built. So at the end, I'm gonna say 3 rules to remember, 3 principled rules to remember. This is the way you can actually build this all system, because it's not easy to put hours and hours of time. So first of all is consistency. Okay, very simple, dude. It's pretty simple. You need to be consistent. Without being consistent, you never gonna win this game, dude. I'm telling you. Because if you're gonna be like this, that today I watched 3 hours of charts. Now 1 week you did nothing. Another week you did 2 days, 4 days, nothing. 3 days done, 3 days nothing. This is not how you win the game, dude. You gotta put the time. Yeah, I understand there could be some foot stops in the life, but in the long term, you need to be as much consistent as possible in this game. Okay, another one, analyzing past trades. The trades you make, you can also do that thing. Once you make a good system, once you start to use that system for trading, you can basically keep the screenshots of the good trades, or I mean of the all trades, and then you can analyze those trades on the weekends or after trading sessions, and you will start to see some patterns there also. This is the place where I usually lose the money, this is the place where I usually make the money. Then you can add that good ones in the strategy, bad ones out of the strategy, basically rules to follow. So third one, I don't have any particular reason for that, but all I want to say is don't tell anyone that you trade. Don't take extra headaches. Don't take extra people that I'm gonna teach you. Dude, motherfucker, first learn for yourself. After that, you can do all the things. I hope this works for you. And till then, next time, keep on hustling, you cunts. Bye bye.